Today we will be talking about the project of C-145 at the Baltimore Streetcar Museum. C-145 is the main maintenance car of BSM. The car was stored outside for years because we had no inside storage. The car's exterior paint suffers from fading, chipping and flaking, while some of its poplar wood panels have deteriorated due to exposure to the elements. One of the poles pulled off its base from the high tension of the pole. Matthew E. Nunn, son of Friends of Philadelphia Trolleys founder Magnon, is leading the project to earn his Eagle Scout rank. We have started removing the hardware on the inside that has bolts going to the exterior of the car. Also, we pulled off a handful of locations of wood. We will be redoing the plywood to tongue and groove strips. The work started on March 2nd, and will start to rapidly progress as warmer weather approaches. There will be continuous updates on C-145 as it progresses closer to being finished. This is one of many projects I will be covering as I aim to bring the streetcar community closer together. I will keep you updated on your favorite cars in the museum. For more updates on streetcar projects, hit that subscribe button and like this video to support the team with C-145.